Welcome to the Blockchaingers Hackathon 2018. 48 hours of non-stop hacking has started just an hour ago here in the city of Groningen, which I think, can consider blockchain capital of the world for the next 48 hours. Over 700 participants, 63 teams taking part in 7 tracks, working on different challenges. And right after this hackathon, we have 7 winners that will engage in the acceleration process, which means that they will build their product and launch it in the months to come. So, we're very happy to be here. This is Giulia, Fabrizi. My name is Lykle de Vries. We'll be reporting from the hackathon live during the weekend. Giulia, how was the opening?
I think the opening was great. It really reflected the energy build-up. I think that a lot of people were just anxious to wake, and it started off with a bang. I think that's the best description we can give right now, no?
We saw a very proud mayor of the city of Groningen, who is very happy that he's hosting this hackathon here. It's all about the ecosystem, but Groningen itself is of itself already kind of a blockchain city, isn't it?
Yeah, it is, definitely. And it's also, Groningen calls itself City of Talent. Well, it definitely is also a digital city of talent. Blockchain, that's the name now already. The organizers of this hackathon are based in Groningen, are from here, and they've been building, well, actually all the ideas that have been developed here for years now already. So,
Yeah.
I would say so.
So this is the second edition of the Blockchain Hackathon. Last year's edition had about 400 to 500 participants, and this one has a little over 700, which is quite a number. How many of those are actually Dutch participants, do you know?
I don't, but I think we saw a raise of hands. We saw a raise of hands earlier, and I would have guessed that about a third of all participants is definitely not from the Netherlands. So they traveled here especially for this event.
And we have seen a lot of preparation up front. I've been following this on Twitter, and there have been numerous tweets in the weeks leading up here of teams preparing to participate. How is this all structured? Can you tell us a bit about the tracks and how they're organized?
Yeah, definitely. We have 7 tracks, so we'll be following all of them. Just to name a few, there's the public security and safety, which is sponsored by, for example, the Dutch Police Department. There's a group of people who will be building in, definitely in challenges. So they have a set of 2 or 3 challenges in each track, and they are building apps or applications in blockchain which will basically complement the challenge.
All right. And for every track, there are also people walking around called Jedis. What are those people doing?
The Jedis, yes. Well, the Jedis are the experts. So we have Jedi in the legal matters. We have Jedi in the blockchain development matters. And there's actually a separate room. If we look behind us, we see this screen. And behind their room, there are little rooms actually where a team who gets stuck in with a certain problem can call the help of a Jedi, fly in a Jedi, so to say, and just sit down with them for a while and discuss the problem and see if they can help them out.
It would appear from all that you've are describing that the participants only have to do the work, right? Everything else is taken care of.
Everything is taken care of, from food to drinks to, I think, rest. There's also, there's air hockey, there's a space to play outside, basically. So yeah, they only need to sit here and code and maybe get some sleep at some point. That might be useful.
We'll find out how many will actually take the time to sleep during the weekend. We're really looking forward to interviewing all of the track sponsors and the track mayors and the team captains and all that. You'll be actually going into the grid, I think, won't you?
Yeah, I will. I'll start in a few minutes, actually, and I'll go talk to some people from the provinces of the Northern Netherlands. We'll start off with them and see what they think of this whole project and of Blockchangers, and see how this can help out, actually, in the Northern Netherlands for now. But there's so many people. I'm actually looking forward to just, see how they go, the teams, the captains. Maybe I don't want to disturb the coders too much, but I'm really looking forward to just kind of walk in between, see what they're up to, see how they hold up as well, because today, we just started, but obviously there's a long way to go still.
True that. So we hope you will keep tuning in this channel, and over the course of the coming weekend, find all the different interviews that we'll be doing live. We'll also be recording some and adding them in between. And it won't just be talking heads like us. There will be a lot of stuff that you can take a look at. And in between, there's the dome cam and all the other cameras that will give you a sense of what the atmosphere here is like. Right now, we've only just begun, but it's already buzzing. There's a magic in the air. You can feel it right here from where we're sitting. We're in the midst of it. You will be in the midst of it if you're watching the live stream. So I'm hoping you'll stay tuned for the rest of the weekend.